Why now? I think why now? It is not we are starting now. This process has been there. Zimbabwe has tried for quite a number of years. SADC has also been trying to work together with Zimbabwe for a number of years, but we are not seeing results. So what is happening now is to emphasize that indeed allow Zimbabweans to enjoy their political independence. They can only enjoy their political independence if the political independence is accompanied by socio-economic development. With sanctions, I have been listening, following on social media that these sanctions are targeted to individuals. You may take it that way, but once a country is in a sanction, even if, I'll go back to the issue of being targeted, even if they are targeted, you lose investors' confidence because the country is on sanction. You lose also, it's a perception which is there that a country is in sanction, so who is willing to go and partner with Zimbabwe, a country which is under sanction? So that has to be understood, that we need investors' confidence. But again, it's not true that these sanctions are targeted to individuals. You have, Zimbabwe is an agrarian economy. Zimbabwe depends on agriculture, but one of its bank, a development bank, is under sanction. So if a bank is under sanction, what do you expect?